it's an experience na siyempre hindi ko makakalimutan. And of course, with Maestro Ryan Kenya and the new orchestra ng ABS-CBN. So it's an event na talagang makakakilala ng lahat.
Sa dami nyo, bali ilang songs yung kakantahin ng bawat isa?
Most of the numbers are medleys. Most of the, halos lahat medleys ito. Like there are certain segments, like for example, isang segment, lahat ng mga kanta ni George Canseco, Willie Cruz, and Ryan Cayabyab, it's in one medley to be performed by a number of artists. And may isa na namang medley na lahat ng mga kanta ni Ogie Alcacin. May isang medley na lahat ng mga kanta ng mga divas natin. So it's a beautiful lineup. Nakita na namin yung lineup. Talaga nakakapanindig balahibo yung mga areglo ni Mr. C.
Wala po bang parang, siyempre sa billing, may Garika, may market,
Rich. Wala naman. You know, yun naman yung dapat there's no issue with billing or sino na dapat nila yung pangalan. Kasi iisa lang naman yung goal natin lahat, which is to promote OPM and to promote the new venue, which is yung Mall of Asia Arena.
Do you
Pero
think...
Jed, hindi ba para magkakaroon ng, although hindi naman competition, pero konting tagisan within, lalo na sa inyong mga generation nyo, kasi parang lahat kayo dito magsasabay-sabay mag-perform.
Which is good kasi syempre it's a challenge for you to stand out, you know, sharing the stage with such powerful and iconic people. Kailangan ko talagang mapakitang gilas kasi kung hindi, makakalimutan ka, you know, you'll just drown sa stage with such great talent. So it's good that there's going to be a little bit of challenge and na iisipin mo kailangan galingan ko to kasi ini-expect ng tao na magagaling lahat ng dito.
So, sinahanda mo yung sarili mo? Mas parang prepare?
Personally, yeah. Oo, kasi syempre, title pa lang Icons of the Arena. Sabi ko, ano ginagawa ko dito, diba? Parang, it's such an honor. No, not yet. My contract with Universal Records expired last May 21. Hindi na po ako nag-renew with them for now. And wala pa po akong recording date.
Do you think your next concert will be held dito na? Kumbaga, kaya mo nang mapuna yung ganitong klaseng...
Sana, isa siguro sa mga dreams ko na magkaroon ng concert dito sa arena. Next year is going to be my 10th year in the business. And hopefully, may mga sponsors at producers na kakayanin na itong venue ko. I'd love to perform here.
Jen, pag ganito ba malaki yung concert? Gusto mo ikaw ang pumili ng kanta? Eh kaso lang na mas mapiliin, mas magandang kanta yung isa, ibang abunan ka.
Wala naman. Usually, like these kinds of concerts, the producers and the musical director decides kung sino kakanta ng ganitong song or what. Wala naman kaming issues when it comes to song choices.
Hindi ka ba nagkaroon ng instance na hindi nag-found yung song?
Walang
Nalalabas yung...
Well, there are times na, of course, many times, like lalo na sa ASAP, we do not choose our songs. And sometimes there are songs na pag napunta sa'yo, hindi babagay sa'yo or he doesn't do anything to your voice, like personally. But that's where the challenge lies. That's how you test yourself as an artist, as a singer, as a performer, na kahit ano pang pangit na kanta ibigay sa'yo, kung kaya mo pagandahin, yun yung challenge.
Jed, after your successful concert last May 18, what's next to you after that concert?
Well, we're planning for another concert in November, and wala pang details, but it's definitely going to be for the benefit of children. May orphanage po kami na tinutulungan. So, towards the end of the year, we're planning a big concert.
Is it your choice na hindi mo na i-renew yung sa Universal mo? And may plano ka na mag-transfer ng ibang records?
Well, it's my decision, and it's not because of any reason at all na negative or what. It's more of me medyo rest muna ng konti, medyo freelance muna ng konti, and siguro try a new scenario, try a new environment. And wala naman kami problema with Universal. I still have projects with them, and I still promote all my albums with them, may mga shows pa for them. So wala talagang bad blood.
As a performer ba, sino ba yung mga pinapangarap mo makatrabaho in one concert and in one project?
Well, ako, siguro Regine. I've never performed with Regine as a guest sa concert ko pa. I've I've had Martin, Gary, Ogie, Leia. I've performed with them already. Pero si Regine, hindi pa. So hopefully sa susunod na sa like anniversary concert ko sana kasama siya.
Jen, kasama ba yung decision mo na hindi mag-renew ang contract with Universal para yung mga next albums mo hindi na revive?
Hindi naman kasi with Universal naman it's a joint effort when it comes to deciding kung anong album sa ilalabas. Of course there's a compromise. Ako personally I'd love to release new material, original songs, but then of course kailangan na natin isipin yung business side of you know, releasing an album kailangan din bumenta, and you know, it's not naman part of my decision not to renew because hindi ako happy.
Is that a frustration?
No, hindi naman kasi whatever I ask from Universal naman,
But are you getting other offers already?
there are offers from other labels, pero I haven't had any final decisions yet.
Jen, I'm sure after winning those international competitions, may mga offers sa'yo from other labels from abroad. So why did you choose to maintain yung career mo rito sa Pilipinas?
Well, nung nanalo kasi ako noong 2005, I was just new in the industry. So, hindi pa ako that big of a name in the Philippines. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan Pilipinas muna. So, I decided to go back despite of the offers ng labels and mga managing contract in the States. Yun, bumalik muna ako dito. Although, andyan pa rin yung mga offers. And hopefully this year or next year, we're coming up with something international. So, abangan na lang nila yun.